Just got all three. Oh God. Well, I just had them all three casted out. Got him. That was fast. Just turned on the video and looked in the screen and my pole's bent over. That was fast. All right. I hear you. Where's your grandpa at? He's telling you about it. All right. Guess let's get it back out there. It was only out there about 3 minutes, if that. However long it took me to bait them other poles up. Must be right in his mouth. See if we can do it again. And also, too, if I didn't mention, this is my home lake in Indiana. Brookville Lake is the name of the lake. Pretty sure it was, I know it was man-built back in the 70s. I think 75 or something like that. Been fishing it my whole life. I was born in 77. It's a good lake, lot of fish, a lot of catfish, a lot of walleye, a lot of crappie. I've had some big flathead on, unfortunately got in, but my biggest flathead that I've actually got in was 26 pounds. There's some big flatheads in here. There's a guy fishing, walleye fishing last year and caught a 48-pound flathead trolling a flicker shad. There's some big channels in here too. My uncle caught, I think it was a 13-pound 1 ounce or something like that. Channel cat out here like 3 weeks ago. And my biggest so far this year was 11 pounds. I've caught multiple 9s and a lot of 8s. And the best day we had was the day of my tournament. I have a tournament every month. And me, my uncle Jim Fry, and my buddy Dylan Horn, we caught 78 catfish in 6 hours. That's the best day I've had yet this year. That was 1st of March. March was a good month. Then the end of March, toward the end of March, we caught 64 in one day. Had multiple 40s this year too. Yesterday we caught 36 in 4 hours. Not today. Nope. Got him. That one was quick, about 3 minutes. Oh, pipe down. Here's a little one. I don't know if I can salvage a piece or not. Now my far right pole's the one getting hammered. Was my left one. Oh, why are you acting goofy? What's the spot? Oh, crap. Rain, man, I'm over it. Can't catch them on the couch. About over it. I'm gonna try to rig something up real quick where this don't get wet. Be right back.